life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will learn English through one of Indonesia's most famous legends, the Legend of Roro Jonggrang. This story comes from the area around the famous Prambanan Temple. Prambanan Temple is a historical complex that stands beautifully between two provinces, Yogyakarta and Central Java. Most of the temples are located in Sleman, Yogyakarta, while some parts extend into Klaten, Central Java. So, this legend belongs to both regions, a beautiful heritage shared by Yogyakarta and Central Java. In this story, we will not only discover an ancient legend but also learn some beautiful life lessons and of course, improve our English together. So, don't forget to write down any new vocabulary you hear and try to practice the pronunciation too. Remember, I'm also still learning English every day, just like you. And it's okay if our English isn't perfect yet, if our accent is strong or our grammar isn't great. What matters most is that we keep learning and never give up. So, relax, sit comfortably, and let's begin the story. A long time ago, in the heart of Central Java, there were two kingdoms, Pengging and Prambanan. The kingdom of Pengging was strong and ambitious. The king wanted to expand his power to all of Java. One day, the king of Pengging sent his most powerful warrior, Bandung Bondowoso, to attack Prambanan. Bandung Bondowoso was brave, strong, and skilled in magic. The war between the two kingdoms was fierce and long. In the end, Bandung Bondowoso defeated the king of Prambanan. When he entered the palace, he saw a beautiful princess named Roro Jonggrang. She was so beautiful that Bandung Bondowoso fell in love instantly. He asked her to be his wife, but Roro Jonggrang was shocked and angry. She knew this man had killed her father and destroyed her kingdom. She didn't want to marry him, but she couldn't refuse directly. She was afraid of his power. So, she came up with a clever plan. Roro Jonggrang said, "I will marry you, but only if you can build me 1,000 temples in one night." Bandung Bondowoso laughed and said, 1,000 temples? Easy. He then called upon his supernatural friends, the spirits and demons, to help him. As night fell, the demons worked very fast, building temple after temple. Roro Jonggrang watched from her window and began to panic. She didn't expect him to actually succeed. By midnight, 999 temples were already standing tall. Only one more temple was left to complete. Roro Jonggrang quickly told her mates to burn straw and pound rice to make it look like morning. The rooster started to crow. Seeing the light and hearing the sound, the demon thought the sun was rising. They were afraid of the sun, so they ran away into the darkness. Bandung Bondowoso was shocked and angry. He realized that Roro Jonggrang had tricked him. In his rage, he cursed her, saying, "Roro Jonggrang, you are so stubborn and cruel. Now you shall turn into stone and complete the 1,000 temples." Instantly, Roro Jonggrang turned into a statue. Her stone figure still stands in one of the temples today, known as Prambanan Temple. Around the area, there are also many smaller temples that were built in the same complex. The local people call them Candi Sewu, which in Javanese means 1,000 temples, even though the actual number is less than that. The name was inspired by the legend of Roro Jonggrang and Bandung Bondowoso, who tried to build 1,000 temples in one night. And that is the legend of Roro Jonggrang, a story about love, pride, and regret. There are several moral lessons we can learn from the story of Roro Jonggrang and the Prambanan Temple. First, we should learn not to be greedy, because greed can hurt others and ourselves. Just like what Roro Jonggrang did to Bandung Bondowoso before agreeing to marry him. Second, as human beings, we should never force our will on others, just like Bandung Bondowoso did to Roro Jonggrang. And lastly, we should always keep our promises and never cheat others. Until today, you can visit the Prambanan Temple in Yogyakarta, Central Java, and see the beautiful stone statue that people believe is Roro Jonggrang herself. Before we end, let's remember true love requires honesty and every action has a consequence. Thank you for watching and keep learning English through stories. See you in the next story, friends.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.